Hey Chris, I thought I'd send you a video of your Bronco running down the highway and everything. Speedo's working pretty nice. Air fuel curves are looking really good. About to climb this steep hill. This is one of my favorite things about the Speedo. It actually has an altimeter in it to tell you the elevation. Nice air fuel curves. Get you really good gas mileage in that range there and still make good power. Yeah, it climbs this hill, no problem. Yeah, just wrapping it up. Still have to make the cross member for the radius arms, but other than that, she's done. Got the dash back together, everything came together nice. That, honestly, I might put one of those Speedos in the monster truck. I really like some of the features of this thing. Let's see if we can catch the light here. Yep, there she goes. Shifting real nice and everything. After you pass emissions, you can actually go and tweak that TPS sensor a little bit, make it a good chunk faster also. But where she's set now, you're not going to have any problems with emissions, so figured I'd best to just leave it there. Really, that's great torque, get up and go. I think you could probably fiddle with that USShift controller down there a little bit, kind of get it dialed in where you want it also, as far as how it shifts and operates and everything. There's plenty of adjustment there, but all in all, it came together real nice and clean.